Alright guys, welcome back once again. If you're someone new to my channel, my name is Niklesh. Today we will be learning Hindi alphabets. In Hindi, they're called as Hindi Varnamala. Anything during the process, if I'm saying anything in Hindi, please repeat after me. While you're making notes, have a dedicated book, put earphones and sit in a corner. We have very important things to cover today. Please repeat after me. Everything what I say in Hindi, I'll also try to repeat as many times as possible because that's how things get into your head. Now with alphabets, the way I have seen it, the way I learned when I was learning German is straight away doing a by heart, like literally pushing them into your mind somehow. The best way, of course, is practicing a lot. If you just seriously, if you just dedicate next 4 days writing this multiple times, like 3 times a day, I'm pretty sure you'll get a progress. Anyway, let's directly jump into this. We will be covering vowels and then we'll cover mixed consonants. Let's start with vowels first. So the first letter is O. What is it called? O. Just follow the way I'm writing this. Make sure that the line touches the word. This is called as O. Let's go to the second one. The same way, but with the extra line now. And what does it become? Ah. What does it become? Ah. Third one is like this. This is E. Simple, no stress. E. Let's move forward. Same way, but now with this. This becomes E. Stress. E. So moving forward, fifth one is just like that. This is U without stress. U. If we move forward, but with a line like this and a line like this, becomes U with a stress. Ooh. Let's quickly recap. First one is A, A, E, E, Oo, Oo. So moving forward from here on, seventh one is like this. This is called as A. A. Eighth one is same way but with a line on top. A. A. Ninth one is O. This is exactly like a first letter what we wrote, and then putting on top of this becomes O. 10th one is exactly like this but with 2 lines on top. O. 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 11th one is what is it? Repeat after me. The last one is aha. Aha. I'm gonna write now. 2 dots on the side. Okay, so it's A, I, O, Au, Aha. Repeat after me. A, I, O, Au, Aha. Alright, so let's move forward from here on. Everything what we've covered so far is part of vowels. Now let's move forward and we'll start talking about consonants. In Hindi, it's called as Vyanjans. What is it called? Vyanjans. Vyanjans. So there are a total of 36 letters which we will be covering now. So please pay close attention. All of these words, you will find it on internet everywhere the way they are written. But please focus majorly on the pronunciation, the way it's said. So even in this, I put numbers on top so that you know it's easy for you to follow up. The first letter is called as K. Repeat after me. K. 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 This is K. K. Third one is G. G. Fourth one is G. G. Fifth one is Ang. Ang. What is it called? Ang. Sixth one is Ch. 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 Seventh one is Ch. 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 Eighth one is J. 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 Ninth one is J. 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 10th one is Ear. 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 So 11th one is T. 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 13th one is D. D. 14th one is D, D, N. 15th one is N, N. 16th one is T, T. 17th one is Th, Th, Th. 18th one is D, D. 19th one is Dh, Dh. 20th, N. That's how I write my name, Nikhilesh. N. 21st is P, P. 22nd is P, P. 23rd is B, B. 24th is Bh, Bh, Bh. 25th is M, M. 26th is Y, Y. 27th is R, R. 28th is L, L. 29th is V, V. 30th is Sh. Say it again. Sh, Sh. 31st, Sh, Sh. 32nd, S, S. 33rd, H, H. 34th, Sh, Ksh, Ksh. 35th, Tr, Tr, Tr. 36th is Gya, Gya, Gya. So that's all what we have. Please go ahead and practice this at least, I would say, like 3 times a day, back to back, or do you want to do it in intervals? I'll leave that up to you how you want to do it. But what's more important is you may be able to remember how certain words are written, but please, pronunciation is very much important. The moment you see the word, you should know, like, oh, it's called as Mo, it's called as No, it's called as this and that. Even for us as an Indian, we have to by heart them. So since our brains are so much trained that the moment we look at something, our brain quickly picks up what is what, just like any other language, right? I'm stressing it again. It's all about by hearting it and saying the pronunciation right. Practice it. The more you practice, the better you get. So every letter you just keep repeating at least 10 times. That's all. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That's how I would know that you've watched this video till the end. Meet you guys in the next video. फिर मिलते हैं अगली बार. Bye bye.